Welcome to Stuttgart. Today we're taking a simple yet beautiful walk through the vibrant center of this charming city, perfect for first-time visitors or curious explorers. As you stroll through downtown Stuttgart, you'll find yourself surrounded by elegant architecture, lively plazas, and cozy cafes. Just a few steps away from the main train station, you'll reach Schlossplatz, the central square. It's the perfect spot to relax and take in views of the new palace, with its stunning Baroque architecture and fountains that sparkle in the sunlight. For culture lovers, the old castle of Stuttgart, with its amazing medieval structure, offers modern art in a truly historic setting. Nowadays it is the museum of the region. Inside, you find an anthropological exhibition of the Württemberg region, with unique historical pieces. Opposite this square, you'll find one of the oldest squares, Schiller Square. Next to it is the Collegiate Church, the former High Council building, and another museum extension in an old building that used to be a wine cellar, a characteristic product of this city and region. The atmosphere is very elegant. It's possibly the oldest architectural image you'll find of the city after the reconstruction following World War II. Friedrich Schiller, a great German thinker born in the Stuttgart region, lived during the late 18th century. He achieved great prominence after writing one of his most famous plays, The Bandits. The statue in the center and the name of this square are in his memory. Next to this square, walking through different walkways, you'll find several iconic buildings in the city. One of these is the Markthalle, known as Stuttgart's Markthalle. It's located in the middle of one of the most elegant areas, surrounded by cafes, boutiques, jewelry, and accessory shops. It's undoubtedly the area of the city that every visitor should explore on their first visit. Just one block from the market, you can see the tower of the city hall. It is located right on the market square, known as Marktplatz, among other buildings that were rebuilt with a more modern design during the reconstruction of the city. This square still serves as a space for local merchants, who are allowed to set up small street shops 2 days a week, but it is also the venue for many popular events and festivals held throughout the city. What makes Stuttgart special isn't just the sights, it's the vibe. People here are friendly, the pace is relaxed, and nature is always just a few steps away. City life and greenery blend beautifully. Want to know more? Head to travelstuttgart.com for tips, itineraries, and insider info. Don't forget to check out more videos on this channel for deeper dives into what makes Stuttgart so unforgettable, including how to book a local guide who can personalize your visit and make it truly unique. Thanks for joining me on this short walk through Stuttgart's heart. See you in the next video.